The Leapmotor T03 is an affordable electric hatchback designed for urban use. This video covers how to connect to chargers both at home and in public. The T03 uses CCS2 connectors in Europe, US, and GBT in China. We'll guide you through each step to ensure safe and efficient charging. The Leapmotor T03 uses different connectors based on region. In Europe and many global regions, it uses CCS2 for both AC and DC charging. In China, the T03 uses the GBT standard for charging. Adapters are available to ensure compatibility between different charging stations. The charging port is located on the front left fender of the vehicle. To prepare your Leapmotor T03 for charging, start by parking in a safe, dry location to ensure stability and prevent moisture issues. Next, unlock the car to access the charging port. Open the charging port flap, located on the front left fender, by pressing the button on your key fob or using the Leapmotor app. Finally, visually inspect both the charging port and connector cable for any damage or debris to ensure safe charging. Carefully plug the charger connector into the T03's charging port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. For public charging stations, you may need to select your vehicle on the charging station's screen before plugging in. Step 3. Authenticating and starting the charge. At public charging stations, use your charging app, RFID card, or payment method to authenticate and begin the session. Simply select your option on the station's screen or through the app. For home charging, once the charger is plugged into the Leapmotor T03, the charging process begins automatically through your electric vehicle supply equipment, or EVSE. No additional authentication is needed. Charging starts automatically once connected. You can monitor the progress through the Leapmotor app or the vehicle's infotainment system. Monitor the charging status via the Leapmotor app or the car's infotainment screen. The display will show the current charge level, charging speed, and estimated time to full charge. A full charge from 20% to 80% takes 4 to 6 hours at home with an 11 kilowatt level 2 charger or 30 to 45 minutes at a 100 kilowatt DC station. Once charging is complete, stop the session via the app or the charging station's screen. Gently unplug the cable from the car and the charging station. Close the charging port flap. Store the charging cable properly. Remember to remove the charger from the car before moving.